Have you ever wondered what would happen if aliens captured Earth? Imagine the initial shock, the disbelief that ripples across humanity. Picture the ensuing chaos, the panic that grips us all as we face this unfathomable reality. Now envision governments worldwide, their military forces scrambling in a desperate yet futile attempt to defend our home, our planet. The unthinkable happens. The unimaginable becomes our reality, and in the blink of an eye, suddenly our world is no longer our own. So now that the dust has settled, who exactly are our new masters? They are an alien species, far more advanced than we could have ever imagined. Their technology is beyond our comprehension, harnessing the power of the cosmos itself to traverse the vast interstellar distances and arrive on our tiny blue planet. Their intellect is formidable, dwarfing our greatest minds. Their language, a symphony of complex symbols and frequencies, took our linguists by storm. Yet despite their superiority, they do not view us as lesser beings. Instead, they see us, Earth, as a precious gem, teeming with potential and worth preserving. Their intentions are not malicious, far from it. They do not wish to enslave us or exploit our resources. Instead, they seek to guide us, to help us evolve, to reach our full potential as a species. They see a future where humans stand shoulder to shoulder with them, not as subjects, but as equals. Our conquerors are not here for our destruction, but for our transformation. Under the rule of our interstellar overlords, society as we know it undergoes a drastic change. The familiar structures that once defined our world are no more, replaced by a new order that is as alien as our new rulers. Our societal structure shifts, morphing into something unrecognizable. Hierarchies become flat under the gaze of the extraterrestrials, with no regard for the status and wealth that once held sway. The laws that we lived by are supplanted by extraterrestrial edicts, unfamiliar and challenging. Governance is no longer in the hands of the elected, but in the grasp of beings from beyond our skies. Yet as humans, we adapt. We learn to navigate this alien landscape, understanding the new rules, recognizing the boundaries, and finding our place within this shifted order. Freedom, as we once knew it, may be a distant memory, but in its absence, we discover resilience, unity, and an indomitable spirit that refuses to be quelled. Amidst the loss and the change, new opportunities arise. We learn from our captors, gaining insights into technologies and knowledge that were beyond our grasp. We evolve, not just to survive, but to thrive in this strange new world. In this new world order, we are not just survivors, but pioneers of a new civilization. We stand on the brink of a new era, an epoch defined not by our past, but by our future under the stars. As the aliens reshape society, they also reshape our planet. Imagine, if you will, an environment shaped not by human hands, but by technology that is light years beyond our current understanding. This isn't simply a matter of cleaner energy or more efficient recycling. No, these changes are transformative, reshaping the very fabric of our world. Consider our flora and fauna. Alien technology has the power to create new ecosystems, to introduce species that have evolved under the light of distant stars. Our rainforests might give way to alien groves, our oceans teem with otherworldly life. And yet the balance of life persists, a testament to the universal power of evolution and adaptation. Our climate, too, undergoes a metamorphosis. Alien technology curbs the excesses of our past, reversing the damage of climate change and creating a world that is, paradoxically, more Earth-like than it has been for centuries. The scorching heat waves, the rising sea levels, the devastating storms all become relics of a time before our new rulers. And humans, we adapt, as we always have. We learn to live in this reformed environment, to appreciate its alien beauty, and to coexist with our new neighbors from the stars. It's challenging, certainly, but it's also an opportunity to learn, to grow, and to better understand our place in the cosmos. Our home is changing, evolving into a world that is as alien to us as our new rulers. In the face of such monumental changes, how does life continue? You might be surprised to learn that life, in its myriad forms, has an extraordinary capacity for adaptation and survival. Picture the human race, for instance. We have always been survivors, adapting to different environments and circumstances throughout history. This new era is no different. Sure, there are challenges, but humans have shown remarkable resilience and ingenuity. We've developed new technologies, new forms of communication, even new social structures, all to navigate this alien-dominated world. Our spirit remains unbroken, our determination untamed. But it's not just us. The animal kingdom, too, has shown remarkable adaptability. New species have emerged, species that have evolved to survive in the altered landscapes and climates. Some have developed symbiotic relationships with the aliens, a testament to life's unyielding will to survive. And let's not forget about the plant life. In the face of drastic changes to the environment, many plants have evolved to become more resilient, some even thriving in the transformed world. They've found ways to photosynthesize under new light conditions, to draw nutrients from alien-altered soils. So we see that life on Earth in all its forms is not just surviving, but adapting, evolving, and in some cases, thriving. New challenges have given rise to new opportunities, and life continues to persist, to change, to endure. Life, as it turns out, is not just resilient, but also incredibly adaptable. So, where does that leave us in this brave new world? We've journeyed through the initial shock of the invasion, the establishment of our extraterrestrial overlords, the reshaping of society under their rule, the transformative environmental changes, and the remarkable adaptability of life on Earth. Despite the chaos, we've witnessed the birth of a new epoch, one defined not only by survival but by growth and transformation. In the end, the alien invasion isn't just a cataclysm, it's a catalyst for a new era of evolution and adaptation.